In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear downloads in Microsoft Edge. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this quickly by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar. Just double-click the icon and the browser will launch. Once it opens, you will see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top and your favorite websites easily accessible. This is the first step in clearing your downloads. By opening Edge first, you set the stage for managing your downloads efficiently. It's important to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help streamline the process. Next, press the Ctrl and J keys at the same time on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to access the Downloads panel in Microsoft Edge. When you do this, a new window or panel will appear, displaying all the files you've downloaded. You will see a list that includes the file names, download dates, and the status of each download. This step is crucial because it allows you to view everything you've downloaded at a glance. Managing your downloads regularly helps keep your browser organized and free from clutter. From there, look for the E button, which represents more options located in the Downloads panel. This button might look like 3 horizontal dots and is usually situated next to each downloaded item. When you click on this button, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you will find various options related to your downloads. This little step is important because it gives you access to additional functionalities that help you manage your downloads more effectively. By knowing where to find these options, you can save time and avoid confusion later. Now, in the drop-down menu, select the option to clear all or clear download history, depending on your version of Edge. Clicking on this option will prompt Edge to remove all the download records from the panel. After you make this selection, a confirmation message may appear, asking if you really want to clear your download history. This confirmation ensures that you do not accidentally delete something you might need later. It's a simple but effective safeguard that adds an extra layer of security to your actions. Once you confirm your choice, the Downloads panel will refresh and you will notice that all your previous downloads have been cleared. This is a good moment to take note of how much space you've freed up. Not only does this clean up your panel, but it also helps improve your browsing experience by decluttering your digital environment. Managing downloads frequently is a good habit, ensuring that your browser runs smoothly and efficiently. In summary, we covered how to open Microsoft Edge, access the Downloads panel, find the More Options button, and clear your download history. Each step is designed to help you maintain control over your downloaded files. Remember, regularly clearing your downloads helps keep your browser organized and can enhance performance. Thank you for following along, and happy browsing!